how to add or remove apps to sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, so click on first option battery. So after click on battery, click on background use limits. So after click on background use limits, so click on sleeping apps. So after click on sleeping apps app, so if you want to add apps to sleeping apps, so click on this plus option icon. So after click on this plus icon, so you will select apps from here. So if you want to add, so after add app, click on add. So after click on add, you will see apps is add. So if you want to remove apps, so click on this three dot icon and click on remove. So after click on remove, so you will remove apps from here. So after remove app, click on remove. So after click on remove, you will see apps is remove on sleeping apps. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove apps to sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.